it's like a taxi. Pick up women and just whip it, go cheese. On the run from the cops and they'll never catch me. Feel like Shaggy, whole crew in the backseat. I'ma lock it, I'ma save it. If I want it, I'ma take it. In the cockpit, getting naked. Make a promise, and I break it. Eyes on the road, step on the gas, I don't like going slow. Drink and I drive on the night with my bros. Ran out of time and now I gotta go. Ricky Bobby, how I shake and bake in first place. When I raise, then I take the cake. You just wait till they update the date. The best to say that I was amazed that I paved the way. I say, hey, oh, my Winnebago, big as a whale, went off the rails. Hey, oh, hasta luego, from Turks and Caicos to San Diego. I know you see me around town, man. The whip got surround sound. The whip got my kitchen in it. Okay, I got a queen size bed in the back. I be getting work and breakfast in bed at the same time. This is unheard of. Whoever invented the Winnebago, I can kiss him on the mouth.
Let's learn Winnebago. It's choreographed by Craig Miyamoto. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Winnebago. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do a quarter sailor step, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn as you cross your left behind your right. Step your right foot out to the side, and then you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly out. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do kick step, lock step with the right and the left. So you're going to kick that right foot low and forward. Step down on your right foot. Bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step your right foot forward. Kick your left foot low and forward. Step your left foot forward. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 8 paddle turns. Turning over your left shoulder, you're going to make an 8 turn as you touch your right toe to the right side. Make an 8 return as you touch your right toe to the right side, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. So that quarter pivot and 2 paddles end up making a half turn in total. Now, my suggestion is that you slightly under-rotate that final paddle so that your hips are more pointed to the right so that you can go into that next section a little smoother. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor step to face 3 o'clock. You're going to do your kick step, lock step. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to do 2 heel pumps with our left. So you're going to touch that left heel forward into the diagonal, and then lift it, and then put it back down. We're now going to do a ball cross. So you're going to step your left foot next to your right, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, and then we're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our 2 paddles, so you're going to step to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a quarter heel grind. So you're going to place your left heel forward. You're going to put your weight onto your left heel as you rotate your toes to the left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, and recover your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a coaster press. So you're going to step your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then you're going to press the ball of your left foot forward, slightly lifting that right foot off the ground. So you want to bend this left knee using that ball of your left foot and having your right heel lifted. We're now going to do back sweeps. So you're gonna push off of your left foot, stepping back with your right and sweep your left from front to back. Step back with your left and sweep your right from front to back. Step back with your right, sweep your left from front to back. And then you're going to step back with your left and we're gonna make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as you sweep your right foot out to face 9 o'clock. And this is where you will start over again. So this final sweep does not come all the way around to the back. It's going to come around to the side to go into your rock to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your left quarter heel grind. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start over again with that side rock. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rock to the right. So it's side rock, recover, behind side cross, quarter, 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 sailor step, kick step, lock step, kick step, lock step, step, quarter pivot, 8 paddle, side, behind, ball, heel, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, heel grind, quarter, coaster, press back, sweep, quarter, sweep, ready to start over again. Try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance does technically end facing the side wall. You'll do that sweep, and all I did was step down on my right, and I kind of like looked at 12 o'clock, and I did the recover. So I kind of did like my rock recover that you would do to start that next wall, but I just looked to 12 o'clock, I didn't turn my body, and I just kind of make a sassy. It does say something about blowing a kiss, so if you wanted to do that at the end, you could, and make it a little bit fun if you would like. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your side rock. So it's side rock, recover, behind side cross, quarter, 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 sailor step, kick step, lock step, quarter, pivot, 8 paddle, side, behind, ball, heel, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, press back, sweep, quarter, sweep, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, recover, behind side cross, quarter, 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 sailor step. Kick step, lock step, step, quarter pivot, 8 paddle, side, behind ball, heel ball, cross, side, behind side cross, heel grind, quarter, coaster, press back, sweep, quarter sweep, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to keep on going. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Winnebago. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Like I'm a tourist, pit stop to like a taxi. Pick up women and just whip it, go cheese. On the run from the cops and they'll never catch me. Feel like Shaggy, whole crew in the backseat. I'ma lock it, I'ma save it. If I want it, I'ma take it. In the cockpit, getting naked, make a promise and I break it. Eyes on the road, step on the gas, I don't like going slow. Drink and I drive on the night with my bros. Ran out of time and now I gotta go. Ricky Bobby, how I shake and bake in first place. When I raise, then I take the cake. You just wait till they update the database to say that I was amazed that I paved the way. I say, hey, oh, my Winnebago, big as a whale, went off the rails. Hey, oh, hasta luego, from Turks and Caicos to San Diego. I know you see me around town, man. The whip got surround sound. The whip got my kitchen in it. Okay, I got a queen size bed in the back. I can get road and breakfast in bed at the same time. This is unheard of. Whoever invented the Winnebago, I can kiss him on the mouth. Mwah.